You ever wondered how old your Cub Cadet lawn tractor is? Here's how you find out. So you go to the rear of the tractor, lift up the seat, and right underneath the seat is this sticker which will have your model number, serial number, and the date of manufacturer. However, on the older models, they do not show the date of manufacturer, and you have a general guideline by this statement up here, but to get the exact, you break down the serial number. So the second digit in the serial number is L. That means it was manufactured in December. It's the 12th letter of the alphabet, which stands for the 12th month. And then you have 12. So it was December 12th, and then the 9, 2019. Now there are a few other ways you can find out if the sticker is missing or for some other reason. You can get at least a general idea. Sometimes on the tires, there's a date, if there's a date on the tires, and also the engine. So on the engine, you can see there's a date of manufacture right there. The Kohlers have a sticker with a date as well. So it's that easy to figure out the date of your tractor.